What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode of If There's a Will, There's a Wave. If you follow along with the series, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome aboard. We're restoring this 1973 32-foot Lourdes Flybridge Sport Fisher that's been sitting for what's seemingly more than 2 years. In this episode, we celebrate victory in the battle against rusty bolts and old marine engines. In other words, we get those old tired bitches out. Let's get into it. Okay, let's see.
How's the boat look? We should get a shot of the boat.
Hey.
What's that? Let's put the dogs inside, yeah? Alright, that's it. Oh baby! Oh baby! Dude, that's so good. It's gonna be an easy day. It's gonna be a nice day.
Sometimes I know what I'm doing.
Perfect.
Thanks for coming, everybody.
Yes,
I appreciate you.
There's a will, there's a way.
There's a will, there's a way.
That's
God
right.
damn it. I'll tell you.
Got your feet.
Yeah.
Hey, we get to be the first ones on the boat.
All right, deal. Sign a piece of paper.
Dude, everybody that's here gets to be first on that boat.
Nice and easy. You're gonna see it soon. Watch for the max height though. It's crease. It's terrifying.
Go ahead.
Crease in the middle is literally so horrifying. Alright, it's out. Alright, Jeremy, when you go backwards, you're gonna have to go really slow, dude. like.
I'm gonna tilt it back, but I need you guys to tie your tether so that it doesn't swing too much. Felipe and Sam,
I get you.
I'm gonna tilt it back so it's gonna try to pull away from you guys, push away from you.
Okay.
So just pull a little bit, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, real slow.
Very slowly.
Okay, you're good? Good.
Good, bro.
Now go straight back. Straight back. Don't lift anymore.
I didn't even lift.
Slower, 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 slower. Nice and easy.
Don't jump there, that's gonna hurt. Oh shit.
I'm good. Honestly, I'm
That
good.
rolled.
I didn't even feel that, bro. I'm really healthy.
Oh my god. We'll be back, guys.
Alright, see ya.
It's gonna be more than anything.
I can see. Don't worry, I can see.
Crazy, bro.
You like jump from here to the bottom.
You said he was very healthy.
Come here.
Are you serious?
Let's go, baby. Okay.
That's ridiculous. She found her way out the door. Look at that.
Right there, right there, right there.
Oh, nice and easy.
Slow though.
There we go. There we go.
Slowly.
Go up. Yep.
Up the daisy.
Good.
Yep. Coming up. Okay. Doing good. Doing good. Get it.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Conchi.
You're welcome.
Sam, say hi to the camera, Sam. Poor guy. Has more gray hairs now.
What's going on, guys? So today is the morning after. We finished very late last night, so I only got a glimpse of what, you know, the space and all the room that we have now. I only got a little taste of it last night, so now we're gonna go and take a look for the first time and see the work that we got done yesterday. That's new. Cleo, you stay right there, okay?